Good morning, guys. Yeah, it's 5:39 in the morning. I'm preparing breakfast for our breakfast actually. Ang lulutuin ko ngayon ay mabilisan lang. Corned beef at saka mga ricado. So, lagay muna natin ng oil. Add some oil. At initin natin yan. Hintayin natin initin. Mainit. So, inilagay ko na yung sibuyas. Caramelize lang natin to. Ang bahagya sa mantika. Medyo mahina lang yung boses ko kasi may natutulog pa. Let's wait until it's done. This is almost done. So, dagdag na natin yung kamatis. Let's wait until it's cooked. Nagmasi siya. So, lagyan natin ng kaunting asin to cook the tomato pasta. Mas madali daw maluto. Mas madaling lumambot ang tomato kapag may asin. So, this is our breakfast. Corned beef. And we will cover it until it fully cooked. Okay, check natin kung pwede na. Lumambot na. Almost. We're getting there. Sensya na kayo. Against the light yung aking phone. Yeah, we're almost there. See? And a little bit more time. Okay, let's check. Okay, almost done. So, ilalagay na natin yung corned beef. Oh my goodness, it's thick. Come on, slide down. Ay, ano ba yan? Slide ka. Ayan. There you go. Mahina lang, medium lang yung aking apoy, ang aking, kasi baka dumikit. So, lagyan na natin ng pepper. Sarap ng maraming pepper. Pepper and let's do magic sarap. Baka naman hindi yan mawawala sa Pinoy na luto. The magic sarap. And we're almost there. Mamaya titikman natin. For the meantime, let's cook it for a little bit more time. There you go. Okay, let's taste it na. I think it's okay. The taste is already good. Hindi masyado maalat. And medyo saucy siya. Masarap ito sa kanin. Tining natin ng medyo konti. And it's done. Pamahaw ta. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. My YouTube channel po. Salamat.